Oh my god! We're going to NYC! NYC! You guys, it's the butt crack of dawn right now. We're at the airport.
So early.
But we're so excited, you guys. Clevver's going to New York. We have so many videos planned for you.
Also, we're wearing our outfits, our travel outfits.
Oh yeah.
So if you guys haven't seen the video where Drew and I dressed each other for New York, you should probably go watch that like right now.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I'm so, but you guys know I'm sick. So I brought a medical med.
Okay, we're gonna get through it, girl.
I low-key got a concussion 2 days ago, so we're all struggling. So I was sitting on the couch watching Shrek 2, and something was really funny because it's a funny movie, and I was like, ah, boom. And I slammed my head up against the wall.
Damn it, was Shrek 2 not even the real Shrek?
Hey, the second one is bomb, also okay. Wow, that's Fairy Godmother song.
Don't be proud, you'll be proud. Your business will have a hard ass.
I'm here to hold you guys up. I got you this week. Don't worry about it.
We're gonna make it. We just gotta make it to JFK.
Here we go.
I swear the whole time I just felt like I was smelling farts.
Ew.
So we are in.
Sinead, you sounded so sad just now. Are you alright?
I didn't want to start yelling and screaming. I didn't want to be disrespectful of our driver.
That's very nice of you.
I kind of low-key forgot we were in New York, I'm not gonna lie.
Where'd you think we were?
Looking outside, it looks like California.
It does.
The trees and stuff.
Yay! We're in New York! Should we go eat now?
Yes. Dinner time. Dinner time. Dinner time. We are eating right now, and then probably just gonna go to sleep because tomorrow is when all the crazy-ish happens and continues for the rest of the week.
This week's gonna be the best.
It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Anyways, eat time and then sleep time and then wake up time and then that's when all the fun begins. So stay tuned.
Day 2.
Look at us. Holy crap.
You look amazing.
You look amazing.
Sinead looks amazing.
Everyone looks
there she is. It's day 2. We're in New York.
Hi.
We got our entourage. And we're going to her tower today.
Her tower is our mom.
And we're going to Cosmo today.
I know.
Unreal, like dream come true.
Let's do it.
The weather is beautiful.
Go to the mothership.
You guys, we are about to walk up to the doors at Cosmo. I don't think I've ever been this excited in my life.
Excited. I've read Cosmo for half of my life, and now I'm about to go into the rock.
This is definitely going to be a highlight of our New York trip.
I am not okay. This is like actually.
And it's happening right now. Hi. Hi.
I'm Naz. Nice to meet you.
Sinead, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
How cute are you?
Oh my god.
Like, what is your hair? She's an actual Barbie doll.
I feel like we're like at Poise magazine from 13 going on 30 / the bold type.
I feel like we're in that show So Cosmo. Didn't they have their own TV show?
Yeah.
Rude.
Jess, this is Team Clevver.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey guys. Hi.
I believe it's Jessica Pell's IRL.
I'm dying. This is so
This is like a Miranda
Your
Priestley
office.
moment.
Please bore someone else with your questions.
Do you wake up every morning and you're just like, I'm the editor-in-chief of Cosmo? Like, do you realize how cool that is?
I do kind of wake up every morning and think
I
that's...
feel like I would call my mom every morning, be like, hey, just wanted to remind you that I'm the
Remind you.
editor.
Oh, no. She calls me and says that. Crazy. We just launched our fragrance line. The liquid inside a bottle of perfume, in the industry we call it juice. So we decided to be really meta and make an actual juice.
Oh, it's so cute. Super cute.
So I have a fun tour lined up for you guys. I'm going to show you our new issue. We're going to unbox our September issue, and then we're going to the fashion closet.
Oh, I really don't think we're ready for this. I'm gonna throw up.
This is what we call the wall, and this is where we put up the issue that we're working on. You can see that we're like mid-process on it, but we put up all the pages so we can see everything together. I don't have the cover to show you yet, but I can show you who it is. It's Halsey.
Unreal.
I know.
So cool.
How do you guys choose who you want to be your cover girl?
Ooh, complicated process, many discussions. We're factoring a lot of things in. Are they cool? Do they feel like they're in line with the Cosmo brand? Do they have something exciting to talk about? They really need to have something juicy, not just a movie or a show. Can we make a really sick YouTube video with them? So we're asking a ton of these kinds of questions. Because as much as we do this really fun stuff, we also do serious reporting. Like, this is a big feature story about, there's a routine procedure that gynecologists tell you need to have. It's called LEAP. But what they don't tell you is that there's a likelihood it could prevent you from orgasming ever again.
What? Very important to know.
Why is the September issue the biggest deal?
So September comes at sort of like the pivotal time when you feel like you're getting ready for fall and you're reinventing yourself. I always think it goes back to the school schedule. You remember like going back to school, you did all of your shopping. So let's show you how we go from the wall to the actual print issue, and we'll unbox September.
Yay!
So welcome to the Marilyn room, really the Marilyn and the Barbie room. And I have here a box of our September issue.
Yay!
The best Christmas.
Seriously.
Can we say that? Are we allowed to say? Well, you're about to see it. Oh my God. If you say like
This picture with the neon on the blue, I love that so much.
She was in an actual pool.
This right
Iggy
here.
reading her own issue.
This is goals. I'm gonna manifest this.
It's like some of my favorite parts about Cosmo is that all the articles, no matter what, like even this adulting grocery shopping article, there's like a clear-cut vision, like all the photos. So are you guys doing those photo shoots?
Yes, every
That's
single
amazing.
article is original content. We start from scratch.
Jess, I have to ask, so the editor-in-chief obviously always has to like write something at the top of a magazine.
Yes.
When do you write that? And do you ever get like really nervous?
I stress about it a lot actually because I want it to be representative of the magazine and I don't want to embarrass myself. It's usually pretty fast once I do it, but I can put it off forever.
Oh, here it is. This is your letter.
Yes, that's my letter.
So sick. Will you sign this for me?
Oh, yes, I will
I'm just
happily
kidding.
sign it.
I don't even know if I can keep this.
You can. You guys should take these with you.
Okay, in that case, I'm definitely not kidding.
So how about we go down to the fashion closet?
Okay.
Welcome to our fashion closet. You can see behind you, these are all the racks for the photo shoots that we work on for Cosmo and a million other magazines. And you can kind of imagine how, like, if you have like all your files on your computer, these are our files.
That's such a cool way to put it.
So the story that we're looking at today with Jessica is over here on this wall. So we're doing a story that is all about matching fragrances to your clothes. So the fragrance is called The Good Girl by Carolina Herrera.
Oh my God, that's my scent.
So this is kind of more of like a daytime fragrance, and we wanted just to pick the clothes that would go with the fragrance.
You know I love a sweater and a skirt moment.
Yes.
And this is kind of sexy.
This is a super pretty like sort of slip dress color.
Those Manolos are literally stunning.
Very Mandy.
Yeah.
You guys ever play dress up in here? Probably can't see it on camera. If it's true, you're like, no.
Do designers just send you guys stuff?
So like Kia will ask the designer, Kia who's right behind you. Kia will ask the designer like, oh, we're working on a photo shoot, and then we'll gather up all the clothes that make sense for that story. And then we'll show them to Jess, and then she picks.
I pinch myself every day.
Our jobs are really cool, but like this,
Oh, the 6th cake.
yeah, they officially are not cool anymore.
Exceeded my
So we're quitting. This is the last Clevver video. We're gonna work for Cosmo. Bye. Yeah. You guys, how cool was that?
Yes, I feel like we can officially cross it off a bucket list. You know, it's amazing. I'm really excited.
We just did that.
But you know what is also exciting?
What?
Tomorrow, Bestie's Picks Bae.
Oh my God, you're so gonna get a
I'm
man.
getting a husband tomorrow.
Day 3.
If you're noticing a new face, it's because Emile finally made it to New York.
My flight was delayed 4 hours. I am so tired. I got 4 hours of sleep. I landed here at 3 something a.m. I'm here though, I'm awake.
We literally came to New York for this shoot.
Yeah.
We just happened to be able to create so much other stuff for you guys, but really, truly, this was the objective, was finding Drew a man.
Yeah. 17 has a show called Bestie Picks Bae if you haven't seen it, and Sinead and Emile are gonna have to find me the perfect man. Yep. No.
Are you nervous? Like, how do you feel about
No,
this?
I'm so excited. I've always wanted to be the Bachelorette. Like, I would never want to go on the Bachelor, but I want to be the Bachelorette. So this is perfect.
She said already she was going to physically harm me if I didn't pick the hottest one.
Okay, but it's not just about being hot. We know what Drew likes.
But
you can't be in this conversation.
You have to be attracted to somebody first and foremost.
Okay, that's true.
And you have to keep in mind what I think is hot. Okay?
Yeah.
Right, okay, but I can't say what you think is hot on camera.
Okay.
I feel like I truly know what you like.
I think that they were already having an advantage because they based the casting off of like these questions I had to send.
Right.
It's like a laundry list, so hopefully.
So they've already curated a list of suitors.
One thing I want you guys to start thinking about pickup lines. I might want you to give a good pickup line and let them judge you based on that.
No, I'm not Googling pickup lines. I'm just saying suggestions or. All right, this first one's awful. What is it? Are you French because I fold for you?
I've heard that before.
Hey, tie your shoes. I don't want you folding for someone.
I like that. Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Thank you, Google.
Okay, you guys. Like I said, don't do me dirty, please.
Oh my god. I'm starting to feel like she has no faith in us.
Right.
This is it. No, I have faith in you guys. I just want to make sure. Okay, I know that you know that I like Machine Gun Kelly, but that's not what we're going for today.
We know. Muscles, you need some muscle.
Yes, I do need the muscles.
Girl, I got you.
But also personality is really important.
Yes,
Yes,
personality
he has to be
over
funny.
everything.
He has to be funny.
and
He
not
has to be
awkward.
aware
Yes,
of things
not
going
be
on in the world.
boy.
Just like normal. You like normal, like refreshing.
Right, but I also like bad boys. I like bad boys who
Oh,
are
God.
smart and like funny and I want him to be able to teach me
she's
things.
smart.
I don't want to be smarter than
I'll
him.
teach you things.
So for me, I feel like funny is really important because if your person doesn't make you laugh, then like what the hell is the conversation
But
look like
also,
without
I will
you?
say, sometimes there's compromise. You're not gonna get everything you want in one person.
That's right. They don't have to be like a stand-up comedian. They don't have to be like throwing joke.
No.
I just mean like being normal enough to like have a sense of humor.
Right.
That's really what it comes down to.
Yeah.
And able to like keep me entertained, you know?
Yeah, and I like a sense of normalcy. Do you know what I mean when I say that? Like I like to know somebody's like you said, aware, like down to earth and like aware of the world around him. Like he knows what's up.
No actors, please.
A lot of you are actors or performers or something like that.
I'm an actor. Whatever.
Okay, so you guys are in the future and we're in the past, so the video's already out. So you guys can find the link to the video in the description below.
Yeah.
We don't know how it went yet because we haven't experienced it.
But it was good.
How do you know?
Because I know.
I'm not confident. Are
You guys, I'm trying to be
relationship?
You guys, I'm trying to be optimistic
Are
about
we
this
bringing up
entire
the fact that she
situation.
lives in LA and they're in New
live
York?
in New York.
Details.
Matter. The details matter. Best of luck. I'm done.
How's it all going?
Feel great. It's kind of hard though because a lot of their answers are really cute. And so like I'm like, oh.
This is a blast. I'm so much fun.
I wasn't like prepared to have to like eliminate people.
Yeah.
It's really difficult for me. It's just a little bit different
She
when
keeps
you're
making
in
me say
charge.
the elimination.
Yeah.
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 I have my reason.
I have my reason.
But I feel like this will probably be next. But
Yeah.
Look at it on camera.
You guys, this is just a sneak peek. It's even crazier. So if you want to watch the whole episode, head down there and click that link because it is crazy. So that was the thing that happened, and honestly, it was super fun.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
It was really cool. I feel like if you haven't seen the full video yet of Bestie Picks Bae, your priorities are jacked.
You should
Go
watch it.
And all the videos.
And see what your pick would have been.
Yes, and let us know. Come back to this vlog and let us know. But honestly, you guys, this is the end of our New York vlog.
New York vlog!
But this is only the beginning of the content that's coming out this week.
Yeah.
So much content's gonna come out, you guys, so make sure you tune into everything we did in New York. Plus just all the other stuff that we do. Make sure you subscribe because if you are not, you're crazy.
Do it.
And then you won't miss a single update, and then you'll see when we release all these freaking videos.
Exactly.
Yes.
Hit the bell.
Like legitimately, there are so many videos coming out this week.
Yeah.
It's kind of
There's a
ridiculous.
lot. There's a lot. So stop watching this and get to that.
Yes. Bye guys, love you.
Get out of here.
Guys, that was such a blast. But if you want to see
more of our adventures in New York, all you gotta do is click right over there. Not that guy's face, the button. I'm about to get run over. Did you click it yet?